just please don't go for memorizing random vocabulary. Instead, use the strategy, and it is really a great strategy that I actually discovered. So first, just hey, hello. In this video, we're gonna learn how to utilize your ChatGPT, or how to use your ChatGPT for your IELTS preparation. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you some strategies that you can follow for getting proper use or highest benefit of your ChatGPT, of your app. So first of all, just give a prompt like this. So first, write topic, and then what the topic you wanna get, C1 or C2 level vocabulary. Then write here the place. For example, I really want to know place related vocabulary. That's why I wrote here place, and then place a semicolon, and then provide C1 level 10 vocabulary. That's why I wrote here C1 level 10 vocabulary with Bangla meaning as well as and Bangla pronunciation. See, this is so crucial. If you write here Bangla meaning and pronunciation, then the ChatGPT won't able to detect that you really want Bangla pronunciation. Okay, so obviously mention here Bangla pronunciation example as well as a story. So if you write this simple prompt to ChatGPT, and then you will get huge thing. Okay, so first of all, I just copy. So I'm just copying the thing I wrote here. Anyway, I'm just click another. I'm just opening another chat with like ChatGPT. So I'm just pasting here. Okay, see again, and just give the prompt. Let's see what can you see here. Everything. Okay, so if you are unable to pronounce the word, then it will be very easy. Then it's gonna easy. For example, here you will get the parts of speech. I really didn't mention that. Hey ChatGPT, please mention parts of speech, but it mentioned. Okay, so serene. First of all, serene অর্থ হচ্ছে শান্ত বা প্রশান্ত, serene or serene. তো এইখানে দেখো, it also provides some examples. You can see here the lake was surrounded by a serene landscape that calmed everyone. So you can easily get this. So and then bustling, then picturesque, then tranquil, remote, vibrant, then idyllic, then derelict. So here you actually got 10 C1 level vocabulary, and trust me, if you use this vocabulary in your IELTS speaking, then your band will just escalate and surge it up. So you can easily get it. Just pick it in your note paper, just write down and then memorize. And after then, so please don't stop just write or just taking a note and just memorizing. Okay, first of all memorize and then read the story here. You can also get the story. Obviously this is very important, because if you want, then you can also add here or like give it a prompt that obviously give the story in both in Bangla and English. So it will give you both, so it will be more easier for you if you were like like a beginner, that it will be really useful for you. Okay, so and here it used all the vocabulary that it provided here, the 10 vocabularies. So just read short story using the vocabulary. Last winter I visited a remote village hidden in the hills. See, remote, you can easily use here. You actually get the use of remote, of the word remote. This is really a fancy word, so you can use it to escalate or to level up your IELTS vocabulary. And then the place was incredibly serene and tranquil, far away from the bustling noise of the city. Small wooden houses stood beside a river, creating a truly picturesque scene. The place had an idyllic atmosphere where people lived simple but happy lives. from the top of a nearby hill, I could see a panoramic view of the valley, which looked absolutely breathtaking. See, breathtaking is also a C1 level or C2 level vocabulary, so you can use this. Also take into a consideration and use it further. However, while exploring the area, I discovered derelict mansion at the edge of the village. See, H means kinara, হ্যাঁ? So by একটা like কিনার প্রান্তকে বলা হইতেছে edge. So this is also important, you can pick it. It's labyrinthine corridors made it mysterious and slightly frightening. Despite that, the village remained vibrant, full of friendly people and colorful traditions. By the end of the trip, I realized that this quiet place and left a deep impression to me. So this is how you can utilize your ChatGPT. Okay, and from today, right, you can also add here some spices. Okay, so that your limitations or your weak points also are mentioned here. Okay, so this is how you can actually practice and you can use your ChatGPT. So if I recap the video, first of all, write a prompt like this that I actually wrote here. So I have already done place related vocabulary, then go for people related vocabulary. Okay, and frequently it is shown that in Ielts cue card you will get huge place or people related cue card, and then you can use them. So C1 and C2 level vocabulary. So provide C1 or C2 level vocabulary. You have to you can mention the number, because you really have not the brain capacity that can memorize all many much vocabulary. So with Bangla meaning, if you are not beginner, then you can like skip this one, Bangla meaning or Bangla pronunciation. I think C1 and C2 level vocabularies are not like common, and their pronunciation is slightly difficult. So you can use the prompt, an example, as well as a story. A story will give you extra level vibe, because you can easily use and know the action, know the proper meaning of the word. So this is how we can practice. Thank you very much.